pretty average Sunday weather-wise, but it's been absolutely howling with wind the last couple of days, so I've got to get out and ride. The weather conditions might be nice for testing out something that I've done to the bike. Check it out. So there's the potential for new angles here. It'll be different for the POV view, but it'll also be different because I can swing that camera around that I have in the front and you can see just a road view. So let's go check it out. Rightio guys, so I've had a bit of a ride without the windscreen and I actually really like it. I thought I was going to get on and just absolutely regret it. The pros at the moment outweigh the cons. The good thing is that there's only 4 bolts I need to reattach that, and it's a pretty simple process. The first thing I noticed obviously is the fact that there's a lot of buffeting and wind. My first impression is it's fucking windy, funnily enough. Second thing I really noticed is that I had a greater sense of control. It almost tricked my brain into thinking that the bike was lighter. I'm going to ride with it for a bit without the windscreen. I'm assuming that when I go on longer trips, maybe even camping, I'll probably reinstall it because it definitely works.